Hello guys, my name is Marco and today I will create an awesome monogram logo with U and V letters in the shield shape. For this tutorial we need just three things: ellipse tool, shape builder tool, and just make sure this button is disabled. I will explain later. So let's start with two circles. First we will disable fill color. Okay, this first. Okay, this will be second. So now they are centered. Our next step is to fill this empty space with 13 circles more. And we will do that with objects, blend options. In spacing, you should choose specified steps and you see 30 number. Just hit OK. And again, objects, blend, make. Now, we can see just selected the first and the last circle, and we should separate them all. Okay, and we will do that with object, expand. If you don't have expand, you will have first expand appearance. And after that, you just repeat object and go to expand. Okay. Now they are separated, and our next step is to duplicate two more times. Okay, just press Alt and hold left click and just drop anywhere. Okay, and repeat that again. Okay, about this button which I mentioned, what is the point? If this button is enabled, you won't be able to connect those lines properly. Okay, now in order to check if everything is okay, hold Ctrl and just press Y. Okay, and zoom in order to see. Okay, our lines are good, they are connected. So group top parts. Okay, center. Okay, and move down to the center point of those circles. Okay, now we are ready for next step. So select them all and connect fields with shape builder tool. And we will do that just, you see, hover parts, and we will do that just click, hold left click and just connect those fields which you want. Make sure that all fields are connected, small fields as well, and that is it what you need to know. I will speed up the whole process now.
Les bars sont remplis, le jour se lève.
this is the final shape. And this is the simple way, just object ungroup, and we will use just this logo. Okay, we can delete every other things. Control and Y again, and let's center this logo and let's fill. Okay, so this is the final result of our logo. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, you can subscribe. If you want, you can also visit my Instagram profile. That is it. Bye bye, people.